So I want to show you just the ease of navigating and actually using this software. First off, what I want to call to your attention is we're currently in the recruiting interface. So you can see that I've got the jobs that I'm working here up top. I've got all the jobs that have been recently assigned to me over here. And I've got my dashboard that has some of the metrics that matter most to me. Things like how many applicants do I have to review? What's my submission to interview ratio? What are my activities like? And how do I stack up to the whole rest of the team? Because that's what's relevant to me. But it may not be relevant to everyone that's actually using this. So we have the ability inside Salesforce to create different, what they call apps, to be able to actually view the things that are relevant to you. So if I were a sales user logging in for the day, I'd want to see something completely different than recruiters. I'd want to see what's my opportunity pipeline? How well am I doing at getting new business for a firm to work on? What's my win rate? How well am I bringing in these new opportunities? And then because I'm recruiting inside Salesforce, I don't stop just there at sales. I can see what recruiting's doing as well. So I can see based on my particular roles, what's my submission to interview ratio? Am I actually asking for the right talent for my recruiters? Or am I setting out to hire? Have I managed my expectations with the hiring manager well enough to know that the talent that I'm sending out to them is someone they're going to want to hire? So I'm able to have my own interface inside of Salesforce, regardless of who I am, that's tailored specifically to me. It's incredibly user-friendly.